in the early 13th century. Llawhaden Castle was constructed on a hill overlooking the river. Its layout is pentagonal, with only 3 sides remaining, an impressive testament to its rich history. The castle boasts a gatehouse with drum towers and a drawbridge. Adding to its grandeur, the castle, along with its hinterland, was once owned by the Bishop of St. David's diocese and later became part of Llawhaden, ruled by the bishops. With its rich heritage and strategic location, Llawhaden Castle has left an indelible mark on Welsh history, despite its long-standing legacy and numerous additions over time. Llawhaden Castle fell into decline after Henry VIII's reign. Bishop William Barlow's decisions to sell off parts of the castle led to irreparable damage that it has never recovered from today. And testament to Welsh history, Llawhaden Castle still stands as a fascinating ruin. In 1930, George Lansbury organized a team of workers to renovate several castles in Britain, including Llawhaden Castle. These workers undertook tasks like digging moats and ditches, removing ivy and undergrowth, all efforts to preserve this historic site for future generations. A brief history of Llawhaden Castle and its journey through time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fascinating neurodivergent adventures with Neuro Dad and family.